I'm not sure if you can see this, but this has got to be the oddest thing I've ever seen. Look at this hawk, or it might be a falcon, I'm not sure, but it is sitting on the corner of my garage. And I took some pictures of it. I'm probably within 10 feet of it, and it's just sitting there. Amazing. I'm gonna take some more pictures of it with my camera, and we're gonna throw these all together online. But I've never seen nothing like this. It's just sitting there, letting me take pictures of it. I've never seen nothing like this. Maybe it's an omen.